Good afternoon, grade 10 students. Wait, let me first present my screen. So, our topic for today is all about technology's role in digital and computer art. So, this presentation explores how technology transforms art creations, appreciation, business, and security. And technology influences different aspects in our society, specifically in the arts, the way we create and appreciate every masterpiece. And nowadays, since we are living in the 21st century, artists usually use cameras, laptops, computer, photoshops, and other specialized photo or video editing applications to create and edit their work of arts. So let's move to the next slide. So this technology art-based or computer art has many impact into our lifestyle. So the first impact is environmental impact of technology in art. So the first one, it reduces material waste. Digital previews and editing mean fewer physical resources used. So hindi na siya gaya ng dati na madami kang magagamit na materials. Example na lang is in sketching, madami kang magagamit like the pen, madaming klase ng pens. And of course, the coloring materials, the sketch pad, and other things na need when sketching. So, hindi mo na siya need because in digital art or in technology art, you just need iPad. And of course, yung iPad natin, may pen na siya. So, you can use it to sketch on the iPad. And the second one is faster sharing. Artists can instantly share and send digital artworks worldwide. So, ito na nga, yung mga arts na ginagawa natin, especially sa mga artists, pag may magpapa-commission sa kanila, hindi na sila mahihirapan na ipadala yung artwork sa nagpagawa. Kasi we have the digital na, we have technology to use when sending our artworks. So, technology helps reduce waste in the industry. Because of technology, artists can create, share, and send their artworks easier and faster. So, artists who use technology can create sketches, edit pictures, preview design changes before creating the final product. So, yun yung advantage pa pala. If ever na may nagpa-commission sa'yo and then sinend mo sa kanya, pag may hindi siya gustong part ng art na ginawa mo, pwede niyang sabihin sa'yo and pwede mo lang siya i-edit anytime na hindi ka naghihirap. Hindi katulad ng like traditional arts na kadalasan magbaback to zero ka pa kasi pag tinanggal mo na yung part na yun is parang madudumihan na yung artwork. So, the third one, efficient creation. So, sketching and editing on screen save time and materials. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, sa reduce material waste, yung sketching and editing na lang na is ginagawa na sa screen. So, mas mapapadali pa yung paggawa nila ng artwork na yon. So, let's move to the next slide. Making art accessible through technology. So, the first one, online art platforms. Sites like artsy.com connect people to artworks easily. So, technology is making art more accessible to the public, especially to those who have limited knowledge of art, who cannot afford either time or money to visit galleries or museum. So, virtual galleries explore art anytime without traveling to museums. Kaya nga nang sinabi ko, there are many artworks na presented in our technology. So, you don't, especially sa mga walang time and sa mga walang budget to visit sa museums, there are free virtual galleries. Next is the education and discovery. So, apps help beginners learn and choose to enjoy. So, there are various applications that can help the clients in choosing or buying arts of their personal taste such as example ng arts ng application is Google Art Project, Artsy.com, Amazon Art, Article, and various Photoshop applications. So, madami ng Photoshop applications that we can use to do some artworks through technology. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Technology in the art business. So, it increased market reach. Online sales connect sellers to global buyers easily. So, kagaya nga ng lagi kong sinasabi kanina, yung mga sellers is makakonect na sila to the buyers easily because of the technology. So, the next one is streamline sales. Technology simplifies transactions, making art buying faster. Next is the transparency. Digital records improve trust and clarity in art trade. So, technology has a great impact on art business as well as on societal accessibility. Technology makes art sellers more accessible, transparent, and makes sales process more streamlined. So, the market of online art sales has been growing in line with the high demand from the international markets and increasing access to internet-based retail outlets. So, nasisimplified na lang yung transaction ng buyers and ng sellers sa buyers because we have the technology. And when it comes to transparency naman, like hindi ka nagdadalawang isip to transact with the sellers or the buyers because meron naman silang ipapakitang receipt and of course magno-notif naman yun sa'yo. That's the use of technology in the art business. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Enhancing security in the art world. So, the one is theft prevention. Advanced sensors protect artworks from being stolen. The second one, forge detection. Technology helps identify fake artworks accurately. And the third one is the preservation. Monitoring tools prevent damage from handling or the environment. So, enhancing security in the art world. The one is theft prevention. Advanced sensors protect artworks from being stolen. The second one is the forge detection. Technology helps identify fake artworks accurately. The third one is preservation. Monitoring tools prevent damage from handling or environment. So, security is an important area in technology that has a big impact in the art world. Museums, galleries, auctions, houses, and even the pieces themselves are at risk with threats such as theft, forgeries, and even simple touch. Security scanners and sensors are developed in order to help preserve and secure the most valuable or the most precious works from. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Digital art and computer-based creations. So, this is very common na, especially nowadays. So, there are lots of digital art applications, computer-based applications that we can use to create some artworks. The first one is digital painting. So, artists use software to create intricate digital brushes. So, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, we are living in the 21st century and mostly some artists are ginagamit na ang technology or the digital. They use softwares para mag-sketch on something ganun. The second one is the computer-generated images. So, example of these are 3D models and CGI enhanced visual storytelling. So, katulad sa ChatGPT, ganun, pwede na siyang mag-generate ng image. You just need to prompt kung ano yung sasabihin mo dun and then they will automatically create generated images na. And the third one is digital photography. Photos captured and edited using mobile apps. So that concludes our discussion for today. Thank you all class for listening. I hope you learned a lot today about the digital artworks and the technology art creations. Thank you.